Welcome back. I'm Ashlie Pappas, and today I am going to be unboxing my Birchbox. So I know that I said this last month, I'm going to say it again today. I hate their packaging. It takes so much time and it just... Oh, it actually came off in one piece. That normally doesn't happen. Okay, this box is a little bit, no. See, this is what normally ends up happening, and it takes like 5 tries, but I mean, it came off in 4 pieces this month, so I guess I can't be too mad at that. I was actually really excited for this month's Birchbox because I was able to get in and choose before everything was picked over. So that was amazing. I had to set 2 alarms to remember, but I did it, and so I actually knew what I was gonna get. I'm excited. I don't remember right now, but I do remember that it's something that I was looking forward to. So this month, this is the box. It's cute. I like blue, purple, those colors. So I remember I got the theme women power or something like that. Everything in here is from women-owned companies. So comes with a card. It's got the listing of all of the different items in here. So let's dig in. I like the tissue paper. That's a nice touch. And then there's another little card in here. What is this? It's the Female Founder Collected. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this is their first time being in Birchbox. This is Lawless Natural AF. It says make out with Jake. I'm not sure who Jake is. Wow, this is actually like a really good size lip gloss. Oops, my bad. It's a liquid lipstick. It's a soft matte liquid lipstick. So I got this. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's very pretty. This is, oh, I got that in my nose. I don't know if this is supposed to smell like strawberries or if that's like a chemical smell. I really like this lip gloss or this liquid lipstick. Hold on, I'm gonna put some on. Not quite sure how I feel about it, but it feels good on. It feels really, really nice and soft. It went on really smooth. It feels like it's hydrating. I don't know if it's supposed to hydrate or not, but it feels like it. So I'm very excited. This retails for 25 bucks. This is a full size right here. So I'm super stoked about that. And oh, the color. That's why they're talking about Jake. The color is Jake. I think. Either that or I just stole Jake's liquid lipstick. I just looked in the box and I remembered why I picked this one. Okay, this actually isn't it, but I'm excited about this one too. This is the Rail Collagen Sheet Mask. The full size. I'm assuming that this is not actually a full size. I'm assuming that normally these come in a pack of like multiples because this says that the full size is $15. But it is a collagen facial sheet mask to reduce the appearance of fine lines and stop the clock on your skin. You wear it, you take it off, you pat in the extra. I love me a good mask, and I don't know, I've been looking a lot at collagen type masks lately, so I'm super stoked to get this. Oh, I'm excited about this. Again, this is not the reason that I picked this box, but I use this. I've got the full size. I've gotten the sample before. I love, love, love Kate Somerville. And I love this Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. The full size retails for $85. This is amazing. It is so good on your skin. If you've never tried this, you need this in your life. Okay, are you ready for it? This is the reason I picked this curated box. Da, 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 da! It is the Wonder Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Retails for $26. This is, as you can see, a full size. I've got this in one of my other boxes. I absolutely love it. It is still doing me really well. It's got that nice wand. I would put it on right now, but my allergies are murdering me and I'm just trying to keep everything off my face. But I love this mascara. It's hard to get me excited about mascara, and this one gets me really excited. And the Benefit, I don't remember what it's called, but They're Real. That one, I love that one too. So super stoked. Again, this retails for $26. It's a phenomenal mascara. It just does what it's supposed to do, and it resists water. It's amazing. Next up, I'm really curious about this guy here. And this is the St. Jane Luxury CBD Beauty Serum. The full size of this retails for $125. Oh yeah. Like that. Look at that bougie little bottle they got there. See if I can give you a better look. There we go. I'm just gonna open this up. So that has a really nice consistency to it. Whew. I wonder how much you get for $125. I'm really excited to try this though. I know CBD is a huge buzzword. I like to do more naturalistic type stuff when it comes to skincare, body, anything. This luxurious serum, packed with 500 milligrams of CBD plus 20 potent botanicals. It calms, soothes, and radiates your skin's natural radiance. After cleansing, gently pat into your skin. And this was founded by Casey Georgeson. I'm really excited to use this. I wish I could put it on right now, but I want to put this serum on immediately after washing, like after using a toner. And I've got moisturizer on and like my vitamin C and all that stuff. And so I'm not gonna waste this bad boy because it's a pricey little bottle right here. Last but not least, we've got Birchbox own brand Arrow, the Nourishing Lip Oil, Color Enhancing Pink. And I'm assuming that this is not the full size. The full size retails for $16. It comes in this, just looks like a, what is that, Blistex? That kind of an applicator. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's got little bubblies coming out there. Here, let's see if we can zoom in on that. See, it like legitimately looks like an oil. Let's see if we can, there we go. Just gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay, it feels like, it doesn't feel super oily. It feels kind of like a lip balm. No, more kind of, it feels like a really thick, non-sticky lip gloss. That's kind of the consistency that I would give this. It's not sticky. It is nice. It's not super oily, so I do like that. This lip oil adds moisture to lips and locks it in with a blend of aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. Plus, it gives lips a subtle tint by reacting to the pH level of your skin for a shade unique to you. That's actually really cool. And it's founded by Katia Beauchamp. And then there's one aside here on this card. So, I mean, I'm actually really happy about this. I've been really not digging my Birchbox lately. I'm sure that you caught that after last month, but they completely redeemed themselves. Like, we've got 2 full-sized. We've got Kate Somerville's Exfoliate. We've got this CBD serum, and then the lip oil. And I know that I say that, oh my gosh, I want to try subscription boxes because I want to try different brands. And when they create their own brand and then ship it out to me, it's like, dude, that's not why I came to this party. Take your favors elsewhere. But I have been, just time and time again, I've been pleasantly surprised with this Arrow brand. So as much as I want to hate it, it's good. So on the card, there's a PS, and it says, we relaunched our clean and vegan beauty line, Arrow, using Birchbox customer feedback. We're so excited for you to try it that all Arrow samples will be included as a bonus sample in addition to the 5 deluxe samples you are guaranteed each month. We hope you love it. If you'd like to guarantee that you'd receive a Arrow sample in the future, also known as receive 6 samples instead of 5, you can opt in to receive Arrow as part of the box customization, only in the months that it's offered. Look out for your box customization email on the 26th and 27th of the month. Well, that's actually... I didn't even notice that. Like, this box was amazing this month, and ta-da! We got 6 items, so blow my mind. Thank you for joining me. I am so grateful that you tuned in, and I'm so happy to have a good report coming from Birchbox this month because the past couple months have been no bueno. But to be honest, if 1 out of every 3 boxes knocks my socks off like this box did, we good. I hope that you're staying safe. I hope that you're staying healthy and happy. And I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.